I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure WhatsApp is up to date and that you have basic permissions granted. Once done, open the conversation and start a voice or video call. Screen share only appears during an active call. Make sure screen recording and overlay permissions are allowed for WhatsApp in your phone settings so the system prompt can proceed. If you skip this, the share option won't show. Grant permissions now, then return to the live call to continue without delay. During the active call, tap the call controls and look for share screen or a screen icon. Some phones hide it under the three-dot menu. Tap it, then respond to the system broadcast prompt that explains what will be captured. If you want app audio, make sure to toggle Include Audio when the dialog appears. Once you confirm, WhatsApp will begin streaming your screen to call participants. If the icon is disabled, return to Settings to recheck permissions, and to finish, stop sharing using the in-call control or the persistent notification. That ends the broadcast immediately. If screen share fails or disconnects, force stop WhatsApp, clear its cache, and reopen the app. This resolves many permission glitches. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for WhatsApp and that no screen recording blocker apps are running. If problems persist, reinstall WhatsApp. Doing so preserves account data when you back up first. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes stubborn permission or overlay conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.